I'm at 4163 Brady Hill Road in the town of Binghamton, Susquehanna Valley School District. Now this property is bordered by the town of Conklin. So it's the last property in the town of Binghamton on Brady Hill Road. Beautiful country location. I mean, I can hear the streams running. There is over 1.5 acres of land here. One of the key elements to this property in terms of valuation with me is that beautiful steel building up there. It's a 40 by 60, that's right, 2,400 square foot steel building with a concrete floor. There's some utilities in there, so it's perfect for, you know, whatever you want to use something like that for. You can put all your toys in there, your tractors, all your stuff. Not only do we have that steel building, but we have this ranch that has been completely redone. All the windows and the doors are new. This deck is brand new and overlooks this beautiful yard. We have a new tin roof, maintenance-free siding. Over there is like a storage barn that is been all completely rebuilt, painted, ready to go. It's sided actually. And there is a one-car garage in the lower level. And inside you're gonna see a brand new house. So let's go take a look. It's a ranch. I would call it actually a raised ranch because you have to come up this flight, and the lower level is a staircase up to the main living level. So we have a living room that is open to a family room with a fireplace. As you can see, the stickers are still on the windows. It's all brand new. In here we have the bedroom wing of the house. We have a full bath. All the plumbing's new. I mean, just all the stuff in this house is new. Bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3. New doors. And in the kitchen, by the way, that fireplace room could be a nice dining room. In the kitchen, we have a breakfast area, an eating area, and new countertops, brand new cabinets, nice tile backsplash, new floor. I'm getting tired of saying the word new, but I can't help myself because it is new. And there is a first floor laundry set up. There is a new door and access to the deck that wraps around from the front of the house, and a nice entrance to the lower level. And in the lower level, there is a nice big family room. Now, someone could realistically develop another bedroom. There is a half a bath that is easily convertible to a full bath. There is also a furnace room with a brand new furnace. Big water heater in the garage, and the electric with a nice modern circuit breaker box is 200 amp. So you have new heat, new electric, new. And remember, this building up here adds a lot of value. To price one of these things out new, you would see that this property at its current price is very good deal. This and that ranch, which everything is new, looking from here, it just looks beautiful. And I also want to mention that they put a road behind the house to create more drainage for the property, as well as a place to unload your groceries without having to carry them upstairs. It just loads right into the kitchen, just 3 or 4 steps and you're in. There you have it, 4163 Brady Hill Road. There's over 1.5 acres of land. It's a 40 by 60 steel building, 2,400 square feet with electricity up here. We have a ranch home that is in perfect condition. It's a maintenance-free exterior, a new new roof, tin roof. Inside, all new. New windows, new doors, new interior doors even. There is a finished lower level now, new heating system, new electric, 200 amp. So if you've been looking for a country home and you don't want a big utility bill, this would be a perfect place for you. Nice size, downsize, keep it small. It's a good way to live. So to remember, if you'd like to see this home, you can give me a call at 607-725-2122.